My name is Jai Vargas and I'm founder of the Latinista. The Latinista is a network of professionals that focuses on career elevating workshops. Today we're here at HBO with the Employee Resource Group focusing on being a confident public speaker. We're going to be talking about body language, tone, voice, and commanding the stage. How do you present yourself to someone when you only have 60 seconds for your elevator pitch?
My heart starts to beat fast. I feel like I'm going to faint because I'm out of breath. I get on that stage and I feel like maybe I'm not being my most authentic self.
Just even small groups, like in meetings, I tend to be the person that doesn't really contribute, and it's not because I don't have anything to say, but it's because I'm a little shy.
Identifying exactly why is it that I'm afraid of speaking in public, take it apart and then overcome it.
Every single time that you're in front of one person or 500 people, your message comes across.
When I heard about the public speaking series, I knew right away that I wanted to be a part of it.
I invite you to join us at our next cohort, and I'm looking forward to meeting you.